Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will show you how to make a mojito rum, step by step. First, you'll need about 10 fresh mint leaves, half a lime cut into wedges, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Place these ingredients into a sturdy glass. Now, gently muddle them together for about 10 to 15 seconds. This action releases the essential oils from the mint and the juice from the lime, creating a fragrant base for your delicious drink. Next, it's time to introduce the star of the show, the rum. Pour in 2 ounces of good quality white rum directly into your glass with the muddled mint and lime. Then, fill the entire glass to the brim with crushed ice. Crushed ice is preferred as it chills the drink more quickly and evenly. Give everything a good stir for about 20 seconds to ensure all the flavors are perfectly blended. Almost there. Now, carefully top off your mojito with about 4 ounces of chilled club soda. This adds a refreshing effervescence to the drink. Stir very gently, just enough to combine the soda without losing too much of its fizz. For the perfect presentation, garnish your mojito with a fresh sprig of mint and a small lime wedge. These not only look great, but also add to the aromatic experience. And there you have it, a perfectly crafted mojito rum, ready to be enjoyed. This classic cocktail offers a delightful balance of sweet, sour, and minty flavors, making it incredibly refreshing. Serve it immediately to experience its full crispness. Whether you're relaxing on a warm evening or celebrating with friends, this simple recipe ensures a fantastic drink every time. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.